In this video, I'll be showing you how you can enable Facebook Profile Picture Guard into your account. Well, as you can see in your profile page, this feature is not currently available. So how to turn this on or how to activate it? Well, you need to download the Mono Toolkit or Monokai Toolkit into your device. So just search it here in your Play Store and then install this. Once you install this, click the open button and then authenticate it for the access of your Facebook account by logging in directly into the application. And once you're logged in, you just need to click this tool icon on the bottom part of the navigation bar and scroll a little until you see the avatar guard, which is this. Now make sure that you toggle the switch. And as you can see, it is indicated here that this feature is only visible on Facebook mobile web. And when you click this back button and check your profile here, the profile guard is now activated. And that's it. That's how you can enable Facebook Profile Picture Guard into your account. And thank you for listening.